have back 50s. Back 50s I got, I'm still not the best at it. I'm not too confident. But front 50s, man, are like a whole different world that I can't even attempt to try. I try to do a front 50, I just feel like my shins are gonna get shredded. Like it's just a weird, crazy back end feeling. And I feel like I've been trying to aim and kill a lot of weaknesses this year. This is like the beginning of the year and we're trying to figure things out and what we have to fix. And that's definitely one of them. Front 50s is something that I have no idea how to get better at it besides just trying more of it. And that's the lesson for today, is to try front 50s. Do more front 50s, try every which way possible to front 50s. Stalls, curves, trick out, spin out, I don't even know. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to do some other tricks as well, but front 50 is the homework for today. The plan is to start from complete scratch. 50-50 stall, 50-50 grind on something really small and not grinding far at all. Then to 50-50 maybe stall on the quarter pipe, and just step by step, because I never really did this. I was always expecting myself to just do front 50-50 is good because I watch everybody do it. And that's such a mistake, because when you see somebody else do something great, you are starting at your level. You need to do what you're capable of and work your way up. Doing all right. I still feel like I'm just gonna slip out every single time. I feel like I'm gonna drop my front wheel and do that weird thing where you just go over your bars, and that's what I feel like every single time. But I've locked in every single one. It's just so new, and no matter how many back 50s I do, I have that same feeling. There's just a little bit more confidence. I don't know if my skill got better with back 50s, but that confidence thing is tough. Especially, I don't ride a really wide deck. This is a 4.9, so there is some room, and then having the 120s helps a little bit. I think I'm just gonna go over the bars every single time. Trying to check off every single thing at the skate park with a front 50. This is probably the longest 50 I've ever done front side. Back, I've kind of done some longer ones, but this ledge, like that last one was the longest front 50 I've ever done in my entire life. Now for tricks out, it's not really as important as I'd like it to be. I'm gonna do a few, but just to get front 50s locked in is more important, because if I can get front 50s good, then the tricks will just come by itself. Trying to rush and skip steps, it's never a good thing, because then you lose out on something that you should learn. Like I should learn more control, which we're gonna do. We're gonna do a couple of tricks out just for my own satisfaction in the video. So when I go home to edit this, I'm not just editing 1,000 of the same trick. I was trying not to laugh. I see you in my peripherals. Yep. A couple tricks first, just in case these front 50s aren't as interesting as I am hoping them to be. Back to front 50s. There's like 2 or 3 tricks that I want to do before the sun goes down. One of them is a front 50 to a lip on the quarter. Nose blunt's like a dream trick, like front 50 nose blunt, which I just see everybody do. It's just, again, this is new for me, so that would be at least a lip. And the second thing would be either a double heel or a double whip. I don't know which one's easier. I feel like if I go toward the end of the ledge, like I jump past the ledge, the whip is going to be easier. But if I don't grind fast enough where I have to jump to the side, then double heel for sure. So that's the plan. I'm going to do those 2 tricks right now and try to bang out those 2 tricks right now.
Reyes, do a backflip.
2 is hard. I don't even know which way to do it. I don't know if I should do double heel, which 1 was hard for me, and that was the first front 50 heel I ever did. I know if I try regular double whip, I'm gonna hang up on a ledge unless I go faster. So I think I'm gonna try double whip. I'll try a couple more just fast ones. If I can't do it, then at least we did 1 heel. Double whip, that was like 3 tries too. I went a little faster. It's all about confidence. I really don't like the feeling of charging a 50 because I'm just not that confident at it, but that just worked. These are the NV V2 TPR grips. They come in a bunch of different colors. These are the grips that I'm riding, and I'm actually going to be putting on the blue and purple ones right now after the session. Put these on, throw some color on the scoop because it's been a while. I have some people to give these grips to because I feel like, hey, why not? New grips are always good. Yo, who has the worst grips right now in the park?
Me. Slide those big ones.
100% or what?
Yeah, Blake does.
Yo, good looks.
These are gone.
Yeah, your grips pink?
Good looks.
There you go.
Good looks.
Shambo. Oh, Shambo. Hey.
That's it. Winner chicken dinner. Chilling.
I appreciate it.
Of course. Man, that looks good. Why am I always using black parts? This looks so sick. And because of the color, I think in the next video, I'm going to change the clamp and the fork to oil slicks, just so it can go with all that. Put some fresh Ride On My Seat stickers, because those are holographic and have plenty of color. But the hook is screwed up. I forget how nice color looks. That wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the session we had at Maloof. Front 50s, success. That actually wasn't too bad. I think that trick is more confidence than, I don't want to say skill, but there was just a lack of confidence in that trick for me. So I was like, oh man, I hate charging that trick. I hate doing it, but I had the camera on. The whole point of the video was to do this, so it kind of forced me to get uncomfortable and try this trick. And it was good. We had an overall good session beforehand, learned a bunch of new tricks, including the front 50 double whip. That's brandy new, and we did it toward the end of the ledge, which means we were able to do it faster. Doing it fast is always a little sketch, especially with any 50 period, just because when you miss, you're just more prone to miss. The room for error is a lot larger, but we made it work. Gonna explore this trick a little more next time we get into a session. If you guys are interested in the TPR grips, I know I mentioned in the previous video, but I mean, you see how sick these things look. Look at this. Maybe I could see my bar spins better. They'll do more bar spins now. If you guys want to check out those grips or any other colors, check the link in the description. It's the new V2 TPR grips by Envy. Super comfortable. These are my favorite grips of all time. And if I ever get a bike, snow scooter, it just goes on everything just because it's so comfortable. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and like the video when you do all that. It really helps this channel move. Liking the video is a big deal for YouTubers. When you do that, it helps all the videos move. And then obviously subscribing keeps you in tune when we're making new videos. Making new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you want to be the first to see them. You never know what's going on. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.